Fancy some colour on your plate? 15 minutes, job done.
Toast your almond flakes in a dry pan until golden, then pop them aside. Now fry the broccolini until they get a bit of colour. Meanwhile, chop the onion and garlic. Deglaze the pan with water, add onion, garlic and sugar snaps. Lid on, let it steam for a bit. Squeeze over half a lemon, add a knob of butter and give it all a quick toss. Finish with a pinch of salt and pepper. Plate it up and scatter those toasty almonds on top. Fresh, quick and spot on. Need more speedy sides? Like, share and subscribe for more quick kitchen wins.